Hello everyone, I am Aishwarya Saxena and I welcome you to my YouTube channel, that is Attract English by Aishwarya Saxena. As you know, currently we are working on a series of spoken English. So today we are going to continue that, and the lesson that we are going to see today is expressing likes and dislikes. So friends, many a time we like things and many a times we do not. But it is always important to be very clear while expressing our feelings about anything, right? If we like something, then we should be able to express it in such a way that it is clear to the other person. And at the same time, if we dislike something, then we should not be very rude. We should be clear, but it should not hurt the other person. So what I mean to say is that there is always a correct way of doing things, and that is what we are going to learn today. Let us start with likes. How to express your feelings when you like something. First is I adore. Adore means to love something or to really like something or to highly respect something. Example, I adore her politeness. What is politeness? It is the quality of a person, which means the softness that a person has in his way of talking or behavior or way of treating others. That is politeness. Now example is I adore her politeness. It means I love or I highly respect her politeness, her softness. Next, I am keen on. When you are really enthusiastic about something, when something really excites you or you find it very interesting, then you can say that I am keen on, and then you can continue with whatever you like. Example, I am keen on reading news. Yes, there are a lot of people who are so much addicted to reading news every morning that if they don't have a newspaper, they won't feel like it's morning. Okay, so for such people, they can say that I am keen on reading news. It means I am really fond of or I'm really interested in reading news. So these were two ways of expressing likes, and now we are going to see few more of them. Next is I am crazy about. So when you like something extremely, when you can either do anything to get it or you are badly addicted to it, in both of these situations you can use I am crazy about it, right? Let's see an example to understand this better. I am crazy about visiting foreign countries. It means I like visiting foreign countries so much that I can do anything for it, right? When you extremely like something, only in that case you say I am crazy about. If you just have a casual feeling of liking something, it's a very general feeling, then you don't have to use it, right? Next, I prefer. It's just a way of expressing your preference. When you like something or it is a part of your choice, then you say I prefer. Example, I prefer sugar-free coffee. It means I like sugar-free coffee, or that is what I always have, sugar-free coffee. So these were four ways of expressing like, that is I adore, I am keen on, I am crazy about, and I prefer. Apart from these, you can simply say I like sugar-free coffee or I love sugar-free coffee, but they are very common ways of expressing likes. Therefore, I have tried to share some different ways of doing so. Hope you like it. So friends, now we are going to see some different ways of expressing dislikes. Till now we have talked about likes. Now we are going to see that how can you express dislikes in different ways. First is I can't stand. When you say that you can't stand something, it means you cannot bear it. You cannot tolerate it. You just can't take it. Okay, so this is the level of hatred that you have for something, that you cannot tolerate it. This is the feeling which can be expressed by using I can't stand. Let's have an example. I can't stand fake people. Now, who are fake people? People who are not real, who pretend to be somewhat different from what they actually are. So I can't stand fake people. It means I just cannot tolerate people who are not real. Okay. Next, I abhor. It means I intensely dislike. I really dislike something. Example, I abhor smoking. There are many people who smoke and there are many who do not. Like me, I just hate smoking. So I abhor smoking. It means I intensely dislike, or I highly dislike, or I hate smoking. Okay, so these were two ways of expressing dislikes. Now we are going to see some more ways to do so. Next is I detest. When you intensely don't like something, then you can express it by saying that you detest it. Example, I detest tobacco. It means I highly dislike, or I just hate tobacco. Okay, so these are all synonyms. Okay, abhor, detest, loathe. These are all synonymous to each other since they have related meanings, almost similar meanings. Only the intensity of disliking is different, but the meaning is same. And of course, because we are discussing different ways of expressing dislike, so words have similar meaning, but they are just different ways of doing the similar thing, right? You can select what suits you the best. Next is I loathe. It means I hate. Example, I loathe ginger and garlic. So there are many people who don't eat ginger and garlic, or they don't even like the smell of ginger and garlic. They can say I loathe. It means I just hate ginger and garlic. These were some ways of expressing dislike. Now we are going to see something more. Friends, now we are going to see that how can we express combination of like and dislike in a single sentence. That is talking about two things at the same time. One, what we like, and another what we do not like. Okay, first is mad about but can't bear. It means mad about something that we like, as we talked about being crazy about something, that is to be madly in love with something. So mad about, then we'll mention the thing that we like, and then but can't bear. It means cannot tolerate something, just can't take it, and then the thing that we dislike. Let's see an example to understand better that how can we use it. I am mad about perfumes, but I can't bear room fresheners. It means I am mad about perfumes. I just love the smell of perfumes, or I just love perfumes, but I can't bear, I just cannot tolerate room fresheners. Okay, so in one single sentence I have talked about two things. First, that I like, and second, that I dislike. This is how you can use mad about, like, but can't bear what you dislike. Okay, next is adore but loathe. You know the meaning of both of these words since we have used them in our previous slides. So adore, what you like, and then you will mention the thing. Then but loathe, it means that what you dislike, and then you will mention again the thing that you dislike. Example, I adore people who are confident but loathe overconfident people. It means I like people who are confident, but I just don't like the people who are overconfident. So again, by using this, I have expressed two different feelings for two different things in one single sentence. So these are two ways of talking about or expressing a combination of like and dislike. So this is all about today. I guess I'm clear with the topic. Still, if you have any queries or doubts, then you can drop comments regarding that, and I will be there to respond to your queries. If you have any suggestions for improvement, then also you are free to drop comments. Don't forget to like and share our videos, and do not forget to subscribe this channel too. Thank you so much for watching.